Okay, Paul, here's my '06 Passat with 130,000 miles on it. We just changed the intake cam, and before we did the work, it was purring like a kitten. The only problem we had was that when we stomped on it, it jerked a little bit because the lobe for the high-pressure fuel pump was worn so bad. Got it back together. Seems to be running okay. We have a problem with the when it's idling. Go ahead, Ben, fire it up. So you can see it starts fine. In a second or two it'll start to run a little rough, almost like there's a vacuum leak. I have checked and I have rechecked all my hoses. You start to hear it run a little rough now. It will just continue to do this. Ben, give it a little gas and hold it. Rev it up. Comes right back to the rough idle. Another issue that has resulted from this job is I'll go ahead and bring the RPMs up to about 2,000. We'll see oil warning light come on. I'll go ahead and crank it up to 3. Engine is getting plenty of oil. I checked. We did change the oil pump, previously to this job about 6 months ago. And I'm just kind of stuck as to what's going on here. Alright, this is after about a 25-mile test drive. It drove pretty good. I don't really have any complaints. It's just as idle. You can see the engine, hear the engine. I did change plugs and coil packs along with this job, and I just put the old plugs and coil packs in, and it's acting the same. So rule that out. Hate to think it's a timing issue because that sounds like I gotta do a lot of work, but let me know what you think, Paul.